Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. Today's review is going to be from a fragrance from the house of Nasomatto, and it is baraonda. I'm going to let you know if it's a good fragrance, it's okay, or it sucks. It's coming right up. Today's fragrance review is about a fragrance from the house of Nasomatto, and it is baraonda. Baraonda on the side here, Nasomatto in the front. Has that kind of woody kind of top, which is nice as the cap. And it comes in a little black cap too if you want to travel with it. I have that first impression video down below if you guys want to check that out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the full review. We break down some of the notes in this fragrance right here. The price for this bad boy right here, the cheapest I saw was on fragrancex.com, and it is for $173 for this size right here. When it comes in this one size right here. And the notes for this fragrance, well, I didn't really find notes for it. I just had to pretty much test it myself and see what it smells like. And the notes that I found when I smelled it, I've got whiskey, I got rose, amber, woody, musky. So it's the 2006 release. They don't have notes on their fragrances. I checked online and stuff. I had to pretty much go by my own nose and see what it smells like. So very, on my skin when I smell this and I smell in the air, it's very whiskey. Just you smell the rose and I get a lot of the amber, and the dry down I get a lot of the musk. Do I like this fragrance? That's what you guys want to know. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I gotta try some other ones from the house. I heard other fragrances from the house are really nice. This isn't my cup of tea. I'm not saying it's a bad fragrance. It's just not my cup of tea. Let's talk about projection. Projection is great. I get 3 hours of beast mode projection. I'm telling you, I sprayed 3 sprays. I wore it to work one day, and it's just like, I smell it. I could be like turning my head for a second, boom. This way, boom. It's in my face. That's how strong this is. And longevity-wise, I got 8 hours plus. Sometimes I got 12 hours. It lasts on me a long time. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I could put it to my nose here and still smell it. That's after 8 hours, and that's ridiculous. Beast mode smell. It's amazing. I like it. So projection longevity is great. I have no complaints on there. Comment factor is very tricky. I got one great positive comment from a guy at work because he likes a lot of fragrance I wear, and the other guy said, I don't like it. It's too strong. It's very feminine. That's fine. If I'm gonna go like rating wise, I guess I'll give it 3 stars because it does everything. I got positive compliments and I got negative compliments. Figures. Kind of weird. And I got great projection and great longevity. Really awesome. Is this a fragrance I could see myself wearing in the fall a lot? No, not really. Maybe once or twice. This isn't my cup of tea. I'm happy that I had a chance to review this for A2 for sending me this bottle. Thank you. I appreciate it. This isn't my cup of tea. But every fragrance that I get is probably not going to be my cup of tea, or it might be mine and you might not like the fragrance. So everybody has their own opinion to choose what fragrances they like. Can I say try this? You might like it. If you like the whiskey type of musky rose kind of scent, you might like this fragrance here. So especially for the fall. If you want a beast mode projection fragrance, this is really nice. You should try it. But I wouldn't blind buy this. It's $173. I cannot recommend that. If you like this house yourself, then well, by all means, you're probably going to pick this up if you already have some of these fragrances from the house. But I can't. Just personally speaking, I can't recommend this for anybody to buy this for anybody to give. I would say try it out for yourself. Get samples online. This is just my review on this fragrance here. A2, I thank you for sending me this for review. I thank everybody for watching my channel. If you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxing, and free giveaways, all I ask is the videos about that, and click the subscribe button to show your support. If you really like the video, hit the like button. And if you tried this fragrance out, or anyone from the house Nasomatto, please leave a comment below letting me know. Until my next fragrance video, goodbye everybody.